Okay, so what's an earnest money deposit? So an earnest money deposit, also sometimes known as a good faith deposit, is basically a small deposit that you put down at the open of escrow that says to the seller, hey, I am serious about putting this home under contract and I want to move forward. And so what happens is that earnest money is usually wired into an escrow account. And at the end of the sale, that earnest money is applied towards any of your closing costs. It could be applied towards your down payment. So that money never goes away. It's still your money. But again, it's a good faith deposit that you put forward as the buyer saying, hey, I am serious about buying this property. Now, the earnest money can range anywhere, excuse me, between 1 to 3%. Oftentimes 1% is put forward, and just kind of depending on the price of the home. Sometimes the seller may want anywhere closer to the 3% range, but that is what your earnest money deposit is.